Why do cats stare when you're pouring milk? It's like they know it's only a matter of time. Time. The only thing between them and opposable thumbs. Imagine that. Cats with thumbs. And what if they got together? Gangs of cats with thumbs. An organized army with one thing on their mind. Cravendale. Well, jog on, kitties.
What happened to all the milkmen? People don't just disappear. Unless they're taken.
Morning, kitty.
Catnapped. And what if they were turned against us? Forced to steal our Cravendale? Brainwashed by the Thumbcat regime. Double evil. Well, we're on to your little scheme. Not on our watch, pussies.
Misty? You know this person?
Is your cat getting too cool? Give him Temptation's treats.
He can drink from my saucer anytime.
Where did he learn to slide like that?
I know where.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. Isn't
Oh no 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 no.
Where to next? I'm the king of the world. Ooh, what's that? Now you're talking.
Whiskers helps nurture your cat's inquisitive nature, providing everything they need now and at every stage of their life.
I used to be a cat. Every day the same.
I'd be aloof till lunch, then coldly indifferent after. To me, everything was just, yeah. Then it hit me. Why be so cat? Why not be a bit more dog? I mean, look at the world today. It's amazing. Running, amazing. Chasing cars, amazing. Sticks, amazing. Carpe diem. It means grab the frisbee. Maybe we should all be a bit more dog.
Be more dog. Start now at bemoredog.com. O2.
Le gâteau, mademoiselle, su casa, su café, la espuma, oh café, Aklistan. Aklistan.
This man right here is my great-grandfather. He's the first cat herder in our family.
Herding cats. Don't let anybody tell you it's easy.
Anybody can herd cattle. Holding together 10,000 half-wild short hairs, well, that's another thing altogether.
Being a cat herder is probably about the toughest thing I think I've ever done.
I got this one this morning, right here, and if you look at his face, it's just ripped to shreds, you know?
You see the movies, you hear the stories, I'm living a dream. Not everyone can do what we do.
I wouldn't do nothing else.
It ain't an easy job, but when you bring a herd into town and you ain't lost a one of them, ain't a feeling like it in the world.
EDS, managing the complexities of the digital economy.